Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes. We'll continue our lesson in English. Our Truly Beautiful Mind. Chapter 4. It's all about Einstein. In our previous class also we have talked about. I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies. So you should not waste your time. Be wise enough to use your time wisely. So now we'll continue our lesson. So in our previous class we have talked about that his marriage faltered and finally he had to divorce, and in the same year he married his cousin sister. So now let's read about these 6 points over here I have written. We'll go one by one. Number 1, Einstein's new personal chapter. New personal chapter means his second marriage. Soon after his divorce, he married his cousin sister. Personal chapter began. Coincided. Coincided means happen at the same time. Coincide means to happen. Two events that happened at the same time coincided with his rise to world fame. Means two events that happened at the same time. His second marriage took place and his rise to the world fame happened at the same time, coincided. Now, this proved that he said that his second marriage proved very lucky. In 1915, what happened? He published his general theory of relativity. 1915, he published his book, his research work, the theory of relativity. He published in 1915. And in that he predicted means told beforehand, an eclipse, solar eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. He predicted that in 1919 there will be a solar eclipse, and at that time the light from the stars will be deflected by the gravitational force of the sun, and the theory of relativity proved in this. So his prediction 1919 of solar eclipse brought proof that it was accurate. He had calculated in advance all these things. He had calculated in advance when there will be a solar eclipse, and so that he could prove his theory. Advance, the extent means amount, the extent to which the light from the fixed stars would be deflected. Deflected means bend. We have learned that light travels in a straight line, but the gravitational pull also bends the direction of the light. So he had proved this. The light from the fixed stars would be deflected, bend through the sun's gravitational field. Due to sun's gravitational fields, light will be deflected. We have learned that light travels in a straight line, but if the path of the light comes in the gravitational field, the light will be deflected. So this was something very new to the world. The world has never known about this, and Einstein was the greatest scientist who had proved this. During the eclipse of 1919, solar eclipse of 1919, he proved this. The newspaper proclaimed means announced. The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. The newspaper announced that a scientific revolution has started through his discovery, or through his invention, discovery of a new fact. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Now he continued his work, research work, and he did more research. All the time he was doing research work. He was busy, and we have talked about he had no time for his family. That's why his family faltered. There was quarrel all the time in his family because he did not have time for the family. So Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. So you see that after the second marriage he improved he was getting very famous, and one after another groundbreaking research work he had published. This is one of them. So he was showered with honors. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world. From all over the world he was invited to give lecture to the big universities, scientific research centers. He was invited to give lecture. So he was honored. He was showered with honors all over the world. Invitations were given to him from all over the world and lauded. Lauded means praised. He was lauded by the press. The magazines and newspapers were full of his articles about his life, about his research work, how he did all this, everything. The newspaper all around the world was written about him. The articles written about him, his scientific research work, what he had discovered, how he had discovered about his life, everything. The newspaper was full of these news. So he was lauded, praised by the press, as well as he was invited all over the world to provide lectures in big institutions, and even he was provided or given a Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. So you see that how he moved, how he progressed, how he had achieved his goal, what he wanted to be. Nobody thought that this simple boy, a common boy, a moderate, medium class boy, especially in his class, nobody thought, and even his parents failed to understand, his headmaster failed to understand. Remember what once his headmaster said? Whatever profession he will choose in future, he will never make a success at those professions. So the headmaster also failed to understand that. Nobody expected that this child will become a greatest scientist of all times. So this was the story. Now more are there about him. So we'll talk about in our next class. Thank you for watching the class, and every day go on watching online portal. I hope you are doing it so that you will not miss your classes. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.